Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw alphabets and numbers. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Blue color, red color, white color, black color, green color, and white color. Sorry kids, yellow color. Kids, neither alphabets. And first we draw A, and here is blue color. A for apple, A for aeroplane, B for ball, B for bat, C for cat, C for car. Kids, neither D for dog, D for doll, E for egg, E for elephant, F for fish, F for fan. Kids, again use blue color and draw. G for God, G for glass, H for hand, H for helicopter, I for ice, I for ice cream. It's neither J for joker, J for jackfruit, and use red color. Kids, again use red color and draw. K for kite, K for king, L for lion, L for lemon, M for moon, M for mango. It's neither N for nose, N for nest, O for orange, O for octopus. It's neither P for parrot, P for penguin, Q for queen, Q for quill. It's neither R for rose, R for rice, and use white color. Kids, again use white color and draw. S for sun, S for snake, T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids, neither U for umbrella, U for uncle. Kids, again use white color and draw. V for van, V for vanilla, W for wallet, W for watch. Kids, neither X for x-ray, X for telephone, Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Kids, last we draw Z for zebra, and Z for zoo. Kids, neither numbers, and first we draw 1, and here is black color. Two, 3, 4. Kids, again use black color and draw. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.